In order to create or restore a backup in your macOS Informant, you can tap on your Informant settings and go into your preferences. From here, you'll tap on the arrows here on the right and go into Advanced. This will bring up your backup management window. You'll have a scroll here that you can go through all of the backups that have been saved on your Mac. You can also choose how often you are going to automatically back up on this Mac by selecting these arrows right here. You can create a backup on your Mac by tapping backup and just do a manual backup right then. You can restore a backup by selecting the backup that you'd like to restore to and then tapping the restore button. You also have the option to send specific backups outside of Informant by tapping this icon here and choosing where you'd like to send that backup to. You also have the option to right-click on a backup and show that backup in the Finder. This will bring up your list of automatic backups and where they are in your computer as a zip file so that you have access to them and you can move them into your different folders if you need to.